Hello friends, I'm Sonam Prajapati. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start the video. Open Play Store and install the app named Avatar Mask and Effects and Funny Face Changer. See this logo, this app, and install this app. After this, open this app. So friends, you will see the app interface look like this, and if you want to click camera, you can shoot and click your photo. If you will browse, so it's a pretty simple. You can browse your images, whatever you want to make effect, and choose your images. And suppose I choose this one, and just select it to it frame and click on the right button. Okay, so friends, you can see there is lots of effect. Whatever effect you want to apply, you have to install this app, then you can apply. Suppose I want which one is better, let me check. I think all is better, but it's depend on like this funny. And suppose I want to add effect like this, just install this, and it is began to installing. It's take a few minutes and it will install. So this is installed in just few seconds. So if you want to like this, and like this, and you can add to your photo, and if you want to like this, and just no, and you can make bigger, and because you can apply it. And if you don't want, just click here, and and if you want to like this, add on the head and just install it, and you will see this option here, and it's began to downloading. There's lots of, if you want to like this, and just no, and you can add to your pack, and it's done. If you want to crown, and crown is applied. So there's lots of effect you can add to your photo. So friends, it's a pretty simple, and if you want to like this, just press no, and it's fixed. And after this, click here, and next click here right button, and it's saved to your gallery. So friends, I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. If you have any problems using this app, you can comment me, I will help you. And thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you soon with the new video.